talk about ecology.
This is an example of mimicry.
Looking for some duck. My favorite kind of food. Man, I just want me some duck right now. Oh, it's on. It's on. I'm gonna eat the duck.
Oh no, a Connor's coming. I know Connor doesn't like to eat snowman, so I'm gonna act out Batesian mimicry and pretend to be a snowman so Connor won't eat me.
I thought I saw a duck here. Oh, there's a snowman, but you know, can't eat the snowman because of the poisonous gases. Well, dang it. Now let's discuss resource partitioning. Say we have two species, a bird and a duck, and they both use the same resources in the same niche, which is this little plant here. They both want to eat these little leaves, but they're competing for it, so they can't get as much of the leaves as they need. So then the bird's like, hey, little duck, how about we partition this, and I'll go over there to a different niche, or a different part of the niche, and have my own resources. So that's resource partitioning.
Now let's talk about keystone species. So this algae in this water ecosystem is a primary producer. And this duck right here is a primary consumer. It eats the algae. And this bird is a secondary consumer, and it eats the duck. So eventually, if the keystone species were to become extinct, then the duck wouldn't have a food source. So eventually it would die out. And then the bird wouldn't have a food source because it doesn't want to eat algae, so it would die out too.
That's right.
So keystone species are very crucial to the survival of all organisms in their ecosystem.
Sounds good.
So I was kind of confused. How do keystone species just become extinct?
Well, there are a variety of factors. It could be a disease or lack of resources for the keystone species. But once the keystone species dies out, it throws the whole ecosystem off course.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for going over some ecology points with us.
Sounds good. You too.
Wish me luck on my test.
I will.